Hello friend, now we are going to start the deletion from the end of the linked list. We can use the following steps to delete a node from the end of the single linked list. The first step is that check whether the list is empty. So for checking the list is empty, we use the head equal to null condition. If the head equal to null, then we say that the list is empty, and we display the list is empty message and deletion is not possible and terminate the function. Now if the list is not empty, then define the two node pointer temp1 and temp2. We define two node pointer. Note that we define two node pointer temp1 and temp2 and initialize temp1 with the head. Temp1 initialize to head. Now check whether the list has only one node. How we can check that whether the list has only one node? If the temp of next equal to null, then we say that the linked list contain only one node. Now if this condition is true, then set the head to null and delete the temp1 value. As a previous algorithm, we delete the temp1, that means we free the memory of temp1 variable and terminate the function setting the empty list condition. If the condition is false, which condition is false? If the temp1 of next equal to null, that means temp1 of next is not equal to null, then set temp2 equal to temp1 and move the temp1 to the next of the node. Repeat the same step until it reaches to the last node in the list. Up to what it will be checked? It will assign temp1 to set temp1 to temp2 and temp1 move to the next of the node until which condition temp1 of next equal to null. And finally, when we reach at the end of the linked list, then set temp2 of next equal to null and delete the temp1 node. This is the deletion from the end of the list. Now we see the programmatically how to remove the end of the node. Remove node, that means delete the node from the linked list. The name of the function that you are, any name we can give to the function. So check that if head equal to null, then we print the message list is empty. Otherwise we create two node temp1 and temp2 and we assign head to the temp1 struct node star temp1. To create a temp1 node, we write struct node star temp1 and we assign head pointer to the temp1 and we another create a next node star temp2. Check that if the head of next equal to null, if the head of next equal to null, then we assign null to the head pointer. Otherwise, while temp of next is not equal to null, we assign temp1 to temp2 and temp1 to temp1 of next and temp2 of next equal to null and we free the temp1 variable. This condition is up to what? Up until it reaches to the end of the node. It will assign the temp1 to temp2 and temp1 to temp of next. Up to what this condition is true. If the condition is false, then it will be jump from the while loop and it assign temp2 of next equal to null. That means automatically delete the temp1 node and we free the memory that are allocated for the temp1 node and we print the message one node is deleted. So friend, this is the algorithm and programmatic representation of how to delete the node from the end of the linked list. If you have write down this both two algorithm on the notebook and understand that algorithm, and if you have any query then ask me directly. Thank you friend.